folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to give you guys some tips on chimney pipe, all right, and the importance of using the same brand of chimney. So I get a lot of people that have existing stoves in place and maybe just need some replacement pipes, and they call me looking to match up with the pipe, which is great. We can definitely help you do that, but we do need to know the brand of chimney pipe that you are connecting into. Now this is especially important on the Class A chimney, which is this guy right here, and also on the double wall chimney. So again, very important to match the brand of pipe on the double wall chimney and on the Class A double wall chimney. You cannot mix and match different brands of double wall chimney because they literally will not connect together, okay? So every single pipe has some type of label, just like you can see on this one, that has a manufacturer and a part number. So if you call and you are looking to match your chimney, please have this information available. Now, if you are dealing with a single wall chimney, okay, so not a double wall, but a single wall black chimney, then those different brands of pipe can mix together. However, once you're up at the ceiling or going through your wall connection and connecting into the Class A, then you do need the proper adapter for this particular Class A brand of chimney to be able to connect into your single wall pipe. So I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. Please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.